Good afternoon, kids. Welcome back in our GK class. I hope you all completed your GK book properly, right? So, kids, today we are going to start chapter 21, chapter 22, and chapter 23. So, first we will start our chapter 21, Splendid Structures. So there are such splendid structures in the world that people from around the world come to see them. So there are given some famous places. So names and pictures of some such structures are given below. Match them with the place where you can see them. Okay, so first structure is Angkor Wat. So, first structure is Angkor Wat. Angkor Wat is where you can see. Angkor Wat is we can see in Cambodia. So, here is G. Second is Opera House. Opera House we can see in Sydney. So here is H. Third is Leaning Tower. So Leaning Tower you can see in Pisa. Fourth is Empire State Building. So we can see Empire State Building in New York. Fifth is Big Ben. Big Ben is we can see in London. Sixth is Arc de Triomphe. Arc de Triomphe we can see in Paris. So here is B. Petronas Twin Towers we can see in Kuala Lumpur. St. Peter's Basilica we can see in Rome. So next is chapter 22, Countries and Currencies. Each country of the world has some special features that make it unique. It has its own flag and currency too. So here is given some countries' flag, and here is also given some special features also. From the help of special features and flag, we have to identify country name and country currency. Like our country is India and our India country currency is rupees. So given below are the flags and distinct features of the some countries. Name the country and its currency with the help of this help box. Number 1, people of this country love playing football. So which country is this? This is the Brazil. So here is Brazil. And which currency is Brazil? Real. Now second is this country is also called Uncle Sam. So which country is this? This is United Kingdom. Currency of United Kingdom is UK dollar. Now third is this country has the highest population in the world. So this country is China. China currency is renminbi. China currency is renminbi. Now fourth is this country shares its name with a continent. So which country is this? This is the Australia. And the Australia currency is Australian dollar. Fifth is this country is represented by the maple leaf. So this country is Canada. This country's currency is Canadian dollar. Now sixth one is, this country is known as the land of the rising sun. So this country is Japan. Japan country's currency is yen. Now England, Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland together from this country. Now which country is this? This is the United States. United States currency is pound sterling. Now 8 is, this is the largest country in the world. Now which country is this? This is Russia. Russia is the very big country. And Russia country's currency is Russian ruble. So kids, I will send you PDF of chapter 21 and 22. You have to write from the PDF. Okay, bye bye.